Welcome to the TechHub.training Stephen Sweet's Recalculation Challenge Solution. Let's jump right in. In this challenge, you were tasked to create a number of calculations to compare against Stephen Sweet's calculations in your audit of their financial statements. Now what I've done here is labeled each of the tools I've used to help you understand how I went about this process to create these three solutions. Now you can download my file and click on each individual tool to see the configuration in case you have any questions, but I just want to focus this video on two pain points, and that is this tool, the transpose tool, and my process for solution 3. The data we're given in the shipping sheet shows us the customer and product IDs and then the units sold for each quarter. However, one row contains data for multiple quarters. This isn't exactly how we want the data before we compare it. And it's similar in the pricing sheet. We get the customer and product ID, but then we have the price for one pallet in each of the different quarters. Again, we have multiple quarters data in one row. So what the transpose tool does is you can select your key columns, in this case customer ID and product ID, to stay the same, and transform your data columns to be on individual rows. What this looks like after we use it is a unique row for customer ID, product ID, and the units sold for each individual quarter. As you can see, before this tool we had 367 records with 4 quarters of data in one row. After this tool, we have that 367 multiplied by 4 for a total of 1468 rows with just 1 quarter's data on each row. Once you do this for both the shipping and the pricing sheets, you can use these numbers to calculate your revenue, your average revenue, your sum, and come up with solutions 1 and 2. Now solution 3 might have been a little bit more challenging. You were tasked to find any customer that didn't order all 4 products within the year 20x2. And so what I did was I generated a table of all possible combinations of customer ID and product ID using this append tool. Once I had this table, I did a join on the shipping sheet, and if we do an inner join, we can see all the data that's on the shipping sheet. However, we want to do a left join to show data that's on the all possible combinations table but not on the shipping sheet. And that returns us with customer ID and product ID. Then I imported the customer name and the product name, and that's how I got solution 3. If you have any questions, we recommend you going and downloading the solution file so you can click on individual tools, see how we did it, and try to solve it for yourself. Thanks for watching.